Good morning, everyone. Me again. Quicker video today. We're going to work on not creating a graph, but taking a graph and writing an inequality from that graph. So I got 4 quick examples for you here. Before I get started, I just want to review this symbol greater than, this symbol less than, this symbol greater than or equal to, this symbol less than or equal to. Okay, and one more quick review. If you have a circle that is completely filled in, that means it includes the number. So for example, right there, that means it includes the number 11 because it's between 10 and 12 and it's a closed circle. And this open circle right here, which would look like that, and which is on the number 8, means it does not include 8, but it includes everything on the line, in this case, under 8 or below 8 or less than 8. So here we go. To write an inequality, the directions for your wake up for today would be to write an inequality for each graph. We look at graph number 1 and we can see that we have 11 as our focus here. We know that all of the numbers that are in focus here or that are being applied would be less than 11. So we are going to start with our variable or with any number, x, the variable we're going to use, and we're going to say x, any number, is going to be less than or equal to the number 11, because again, we have a closed circle on the number 11. Closed circle means it includes the number 11, and then it includes all numbers less than 11. Okay, so hopefully that helps you a tad bit. Looking at our second graph here, we have a open circle at 8, and we have the arrow going towards the lower numbers. So again, I'm going to use x as my variable, and I am going to say in this situation x, so any number, which is what x stands for in this situation, any number x is going to be less than the number 8. It is not going to be the number 8 because the number 8 is not included in this inequality. It is everything that is below the number 8. Therefore, x is less than 8. Moving on to my next example right here. In this situation now we have an open arrow or an open circle at 2 and an arrow going towards bigger numbers. So again, we are going to use x as the number of all of the other numbers, and we're going to say x is going to be any number that is bigger than 2 would be included in this inequality. So x can include 2 because we have an open circle, but it can include any number that is bigger than the number 2. And one more example, here we go. We have an open circle or a closed circle at -3, and we have all numbers that are less than -3. So again, we're going to start with the letter x because it includes all numbers that are less than or equal to the number -3. And the reason it is less than or equal to is because we have a closed circle at -3, which means we need to include that number and then all numbers that are less than -3. Your wake up will look exactly like this, except for you'll have different number lines. Good luck.